Okay, now we'll pack your bag. So keep your toothbrush and paste in your bag. Then soap, shampoo, and your towel. Keep it properly. And 2 pairs of dresses. Fold it and keep it. Okay, now close it. Adjust them. Yes. Okay, close it now. Close it. Enough. Enough. Close it. Close it, Sanvi. Close it. Close it. Press it. Okay, now your bag is ready. Bye.